Hello, my super scientists. Welcome to another exciting and colorful trimester. I hope your holiday was superb. So, in this new trimester, you'll be learning a lot of interesting and scientific topics in chemistry. Now, the first interesting topic is titled Properties of materials. I'll come again. Properties of materials, or you can say properties of material with physical change. So I'm going to be looking at physical changes in materials. First and foremost, what is chemistry? Chemistry is the branch of science that study the composition of matter and how matter reacts under certain conditions. I'll come again. Chemistry is a branch of science that studies the composition of matter and how matter reacts under certain conditions. So that's the definition of chemistry. Next, every object or substance in the universe, from starfish to moon dust, is made up of matter. This simply means that every object you come in contact with in your daily life is made of matter or consists of matter. All matter has both physical and chemical properties. So take note of that. All matter has both physical or chemical properties. Either that matter is in chemical change or in physical change. Next, what is physical change? So let's look at physical change of matter. Now, a physical change or property in chemistry is the property that can be observed without changing the identity of the substance. In a physical change, the properties of that substance does not change. What I mean of property? The physical appearance of that substance does not change. It will still remain the same substance. Like if water boils, it still remains water. It doesn't change to something else. Now, some common physical properties you can see in our daily lives. 1. Color. You can see color when you see some objects. Texture. When you feel some object or substance, you can feel the texture of that object. 3. Hardness. How strong or how soft the substance is or the object is. 4. Density. 5. Reflectivity. So these are some common physical properties. Next, 6. Melting point. 7. Boiling point of that substance. 8. Thermal and electrical conductivity. How hot or how electrolyte the substance is. 9. Magnetism. Now let's see some examples of physical changes. Some examples of physical changes. 1. Crushing the can. When they crush a can, the physical or the identity of that can still remain a can. 2. Melting of ice. Melting of ice, when ice melts, it turns to liquid, so it still maintains its physical property. Boiling water. When you boil water, it doesn't change to something else, it still remains water. Next, sand and water. When you mix sand and water together, it doesn't change, it still keeps its physical identity. Next, threading of papers. When papers are being threaded, it still remains papers, it doesn't change its physical form. Next, broken glass. When the glass is broken, it also keeps its physical form or property. Next, chopping of wood. When wood is being chopped, it still keeps its physical properties of physical appearance. It doesn't change to something else. So these are some few examples of physical changes. Now let's see a practical question. Dash is the smallest piece of matter. Dash is the smallest piece of matter. What is the smallest piece of matter? An atom. An atom is the smallest piece of matter. You got it right. An atom is the smallest piece of matter. Wow, super kids. It's been a fun learning process so far. Know the definition of chemistry, what matter is all about, and physical changes. Knowing more about physical changes. So common examples of physical changes, like when you see someone crushing a can, is an example of physical change of matter. Can't wait to see you guys in the next lesson. Bye bye.